opening up the box, and we'll see how they have it packed in there. This is what it looks like. This is how I received it. Instructions on top in the carrying case. These are the instructions. It was ripped for some reason, but I can still read it. This is the carrying case for the kit. I don't really know how everything will fit in here. Perhaps it's just for the light bulbs, I'm not sure, but that's what it looks like. And it just zips open, a handle on each side. It's fairly lightweight, no padding or anything, so. And the next thing we have is the actual light holder. There will be 2 of these. This is the first one. It has a Velcro opening. And there it is. This is the plug. You're going to plug that in, and then there's a switch that I believe goes from lighter to darker light settings. And I'll open it up so you have an idea what it looks like and the size. And there it is, the light bulb goes in there. This is the white cover that attaches to the outside of the light holder. It has Velcro all around, and that's how it attaches snugly. This is the second light holder, so I'm not going to open it all the way. Same thing. This is the light stand. It is 86 inches tall. It's a 3-legged light stand. It's fairly easy to lengthen, shorten, change the size. There you have it. Okay. And I'm going to attempt to show you how to quickly open it up. Except I am fumbling and don't realize that I have to loosen the screw in order for it to open up. So there you have it. How easy is that? And don't forget to tighten the screw afterwards. Okay. Second stand we're not going to go through. These are the light bulbs. That's all that's in the box. These are 2 85-watt CFL light bulbs. The lamp tone is daylight. These were packed fairly well. They're in the box, and then they are in a fitted plastic container, and they are also wrapped. That's all that's in the box. They are also wrapped in bubble wrap, or like a foam, so they're pretty well secured. They came to me all intact. These things are huge, 4 inches in diameter and 11 inches long. Massive. It's just much bigger than I thought. And these are fluorescent bulbs, so they do come with a warning. You have to be very, very careful with these. And that's it. Voila! Thank you for watching.